the Deputy President, Prime Cabinet Secretary, Cabinet colleagues here present, governors, my classmate, sorry I forgot, to my classmates, the 8th, the Honorable Papa Waroma, members of Parliament present, the members of the diplomatic corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to come and say a few words about for the record, because some of the things that the Honorable Duale has said, that the government does not lose. I have the record. But Your Excellency, I did not know the Honorable Duale very well before the 11th Parliament. But I used to see and admire some things that he used to say, and they formed some small, I think that's almost the renegade group in the 10th Parliament with my friend Isaac Ruto. But Your Excellency, you recall the meeting we had at the Great Rift before the 11th Parliament was inaugurated, and on the 31st of March 2013, we came to the members came to the house, and I was watching as you had told me, you hid me somewhere, and I was just watching. This guy, I don't know him very well, but he's busy mobilizing people to vote for me. It was no wonder that I got such a resounding victory. Fast forward, Your Excellency. This gentleman, the Honorable Duale, is a very unique character. I don't know how many times that Duale would visit my office. And I kept wondering, why is he coming? But it's because of some of the things in this book, because they are in the record. So even as Soipan would go and have some little trouble there, I knew that she was still very safe, because she was in the safe hands of the Honorable Duale, as I was just hiding behind there. It's part of the record. The Honorable Duale is an extremely consultative person. You'd go receive whatever documentation from various cabinet secretaries,